This is MSJ Chem. In this video, I'll be looking at iodine number. The addition of iodine to unsaturated fats can be used to determine the number of carbon-to-carbon double bonds in the fat. Unsaturated fatty acids have carbon-to-carbon double bonds. These undergo addition reactions with iodine. From this equation, we can see that 1 mole of double bonds reacts with 1 mole of iodine. The iodine number is defined as the number of grams of iodine that reacts with 100 grams of fat. Next, we look at an example. Linoleic acid, which has a molar mass of 281 grams per mole, has this formula. So let's calculate the iodine number of linoleic acid. From this equation, we can see that 1 mole of linoleic acid has 2 moles of double bonds. The double bonds can be seen here and here. From the previous slide, we know that 1 mole of double bonds reacts with 1 mole of iodine, which has a molar mass of 254 grams per mole. Therefore, 2 moles of double bonds reacts with 2 times 254, which is 508 grams of iodine. Because linoleic acid has 2 moles of double bonds, 1 mole or 281 grams of linoleic acid reacts with 508 grams of iodine. The definition of iodine number is the number of grams of iodine that reacts with 100 grams of fat. So 100 grams of linoleic acid reacts with 100 divided by 281 times 508, which gives us 181 grams of iodine. So finally, the iodine number of linoleic acid is 181. Let's try one more example. Calculate the number of carbon-to-carbon double bonds in linolenic acid, which has the molecular formula C18H30O2, given that 7.7 grams of iodine reacts with 2.8 grams of linolenic acid. In this example, we first have to calculate the number of moles of iodine and linolenic acid. So the number of moles of iodine equals 7.7 grams divided by the molar mass of iodine, which is 254. This gives us 0.030 moles of iodine. Next, we'll calculate the number of moles of linolenic acid. So it's 2.8 divided by the molar mass of linolenic acid, which is 278, which gives us 0.010 moles. Next, we look at the ratio of iodine to linolenic acid, which is a 3:1 ratio. From this ratio, we can determine that 3 moles of iodine reacts with 1 mole of linolenic acid. Therefore, linolenic acid has 3 carbon-to-carbon double bonds. So that's all from this video. Don't forget to check the video description for a link to a practice worksheet.